Welcome to Lighthouse Farm. We are new to gardening and farming alike, so come alongside as we journey through the highs and lows of learning to grow our own food. So I totally forgot to video any of what we were doing, but we are at New Day Farm in Gilmer, and they have all these lovely trees. And Danielle has helped help us kind of curate our orchard. We've got some apples and some pears and some peaches. What else did we get? Figs. We got one fig. And then we got some blackberry bushes. She's got tons of stuff here. And they've also got some ornamental trees, but she has a lot of fruit trees. So exciting. So yesterday we went to New Day Farm in Gilmer and picked out some trees for our orchard, and he is here delivering them today. Definitely look into local nurseries because they carry what works well there in your area, as opposed to big box stores carry all sorts of different things that do well in some areas but not in others. But if you go to a local nursery, they'll carry what works well there for you. Also, you'll be able to talk to people who know more about what they carry there specifically and what works for your area, what pests that you have to look out for. That's what we did here with New Day Farm. They're about 35 minutes from us. And also, we don't have means to transport as many trees as we bought. We bought 11 trees, and we also bought some blackberry bushes. And fortunately, they were gracious enough to deliver. So if you guys don't have means for transporting things like that, you can always reach out and see what they would charge you to deliver the product to you. Fortunately, they weren't terribly busy. Fortunately for us, they weren't terribly busy this week, and they were able to deliver it out today. So we've got our trees, and we're so excited. Annie, what are we doing right now, baby?
Annie, look at mommy.
What are we doing right now?
We're planting trees.
Yeah.
Oh no, what's happening?
That's what's supposed to
Put a
happen.
little compost in there. Well, on center. All right, you scoop that out. Nice. Throw it over there. Nice.
I'm out here in our orchard this morning, and I'm gonna install the drip irrigation system that we got for our trees. Yesterday, Justin and Henley and I planted 11 trees. We've got some peaches, pears. Let's see, we got 3 peaches, 1 pear, 3 apples, different varieties, a fig, 2 plums, and a nectarine, I think. So anyways, I'm gonna install the tree drip irrigation system. I ordered it from a place called Drip Depot, I think it was. They have kits that you can purchase, and everything is included in the kit that you need to run your system. Seems pretty cool. I'm excited about using it. Their prices are very reasonable from what I've found looking at different places. So I'm not affiliated with them or sponsored or whatever. Anyways, here we go. Okay, this is the moment of truth. I've got my 1/2 inch poly tubing run to all the trees. I haven't done the 1/4 inch drip line around the tree yet, but they said to run this to flush the line, so if there's anything big it can get out of the lines, and then do that part. So let's see. I have to figure out how to turn it on first. Okay, got this open. Oh, I got my timer set on it to aid in watering these trees sufficiently and in a timely manner, because with 2 kids and my husband working full-time and me caring for them full-time, plus all the other farming stuff we've got going on, if I can just come out here and turn on a timer, I'm much more likely to keep things watered and hydrated if that's the case. So we bought an irrigation system for the trees, an irrigation system for the garden, and then one for the berry bushes. We've got water. Let's check the other 2. Yep, got water there. And let's check this one. We've got water. Now I need to check the coupling sites and make sure that no water is draining out of those. Nope, we are good. I can't see if you can see that, but oh, I got a little helper. Hey, Peanut, go under the fence, baby. A little helper's coming out. Come on. It's working. So got all these connected, and there's water. Drink up, little trees.